This video will show you how to properly clean your wheels using Simoniz Brake Dust Buster wheel cleaner. First, make sure the wheels are dry and cool. Next, spray the product liberally directly onto the wheel. Start at the bottom of the wheel and work your way up, spraying into each contour of the wheel. Now, you simply wait for 30 to 45 seconds, allowing the product to dissolve the brake grime and loosen the dirt from the surface of the wheel. Finally, using a hose sprayer, rinse the wheel. If you have extremely dirty wheels, you can spray on the product, allow it to bust up the grime, then, before rinsing off, scrub the wheels with a wheel brush. This will help loosen heavy caked-on brake dust. Sometimes, it helps to repeat this process once more. Spray on the product, then scrub. Finally, rinse with a hose sprayer. Simoniz Brake Dust Buster wheel cleaner works wonders. Thanks for choosing Simoniz, one of the oldest, most trusted names in car care.